I'll guide you through how to make good ads. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to your browser and search for Gemini. Log in or sign up if you're new to the platform. Then go to the Tools section where you'll find various options available. Choose Videos with VO from the available tools. Type your prompt and describe the ad you want to make, such as creating an ad video for your Gumroad page or any other specific purpose you have in mind. Generate the prompt and wait for the AI to finish creating your ad video. The processing time may vary depending on the complexity of your request. Once it's done generating, click Download in the top right corner of the video to save it to your device. After downloading it, open your editing software and add an interactive background sound and do a bit of editing to enhance the final product. Make any adjustments you feel are necessary to improve the video quality. Once you're done editing, export the video in your preferred format. Then go to your social media platform, such as Instagram or any other platform you prefer to use. Post your ad video to share it with your audience.